So I found this new way to make money online in 2024, the easiest and fastest way possible. But firstly, there are three things you need to put into consideration if you want to make money online in 2024. Firstly, you need to make sure that you are selling a product that majority of the people want. You don't want to sell something that only you care about. You want to sell something that everybody needs. See, majority of beginners make this mistake by selling a product that they care about when they should be focused on what people need. Secondly, you want to make sure that you invest little money or no money at all. Any product that requires you investing lots of money, trust me, that is the wrong product. Thirdly, you should not take too much of your time, okay? You don't want to sit all day on it. Do you understand? So in today's video, I am going to be showing you one of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online in 2024. And this is something that you can put into practice right after watching this video. And for your information, you can make $100 to $300 per week depending on the effort that you are ready to put into it. And guys, this is actually a new thing that no one is talking about. That is why I am so joyous to talk about it. So if this is the type of content that you love, please make sure that you watch this video from start to finish. But before we get right into it, I want you to leave a thumbs up, I want you to subscribe, and I want you to share this video to anyone that needs to see it. And then if you can probably drop a comment if there's anything that you want to talk about. That way YouTube will just push this content to the people that really value it. Thank you. So let's get started. Okay, so what exactly is this side hustle and how does it work? Let me give you a hint. We are going to reach out to businesses that don't have a website and we are going to offer to build a website for them. They earn value, we earn money. Problem solved. Everyone is like this building a website in 2024, so you might as well help them to build one. We are going to be using AI technology on today's video, such as ChatGPT and the likes. That's where we'll be able to build up endless websites and we'll be able to reach out to numerous businesses. And because it is also totally free and it won't take much of your time. So step one, knowing how to find businesses that do not have a website or businesses that actually need a website, how to find their contact information and how to reach out to them. So on today's video, we are going to use Yale.com as an example. Okay, so I'm going to come onto their website. I will search for a business that may benefit from having a website or a business that currently do not have a website. So I am going to be using Mechanic as an example. I'll set the location to London, but you can use any country of your choice. Then I'll click on search and set this to most reviewed because we want to make sure that they have high review. So we are going to start digging onto the ones that do not have a website but also fully active. Okay, so this one has a website, this one has a website, this one has a website. But when you continue to scroll down, you notice that some do not have a website. Okay, for example, this one do not have a website, same as this one. But yes, they have a lot of ratings. So when it comes to finding their contact information like their email address, simply click on their profile, then scroll down to this section. Find us on Facebook/Instagram. Click on the Facebook page. This is their email address. From here, all you've got to do is build up a lot of email addresses to reach out to. Okay, so now that we know how to reach out to businesses that do not have a website yet, step 2 is knowing how to write an email to send to them. If you know how to do this yourself, then you can do it. But if you don't know how to go about the whole process of writing an email to send to them, then we can make use of ChatGPT because ChatGPT is good, it is free, and it is easy to use. If you want to sign in for free, just input your information. Then once you are in, you want to type something like write an email to a business called. So I'll be using Sean Mobile Mechanic because that is what I got from Yale.com. Let me read this out. The purpose for this mail is to offer a website building service at a very competitive price that can be negotiated later. In this email, emphasize the importance of having a website and also emphasize that we'll take care of everything from start to finish. Okay, now I am able to generate an email that I'll be able to send out to businesses that I want to reach out to. Okay guys, one good thing about using ChatGPT when it comes to making money online is that you'll be able to reach out to so many businesses at once, and you'll be able to write a follow-up mail to them using ChatGPT. And guys, if you are doing this to various companies every week, the chances of you not generating sales will be very low. So one tip I'll give you when it comes to reaching out to businesses you want to work with is you don't want to use personal mails such as at gmail.com, at hotmail. You want to make use of a custom domain. That way you will look professional, and businesses will choose you over those that will use a personal mail to reach out to them. So you can get a custom domain from GoDaddy, from Network Solution, as low as, I don't want to say low, but as affordable as $10, and you'll be able to activate it for $5. When it comes to building websites now, we have got AI technology to speed up the process for us. You know, 5-10 years ago, this would have taken longer period of time to build. 5-10 years, even 2 years ago, it would have taken longer period of time to build. Okay, so one of the best website design tools I recommend is Hostinger, and currently they are offering a 79% off on any website that you want to build, and the first 3 months is totally for free. Okay, so for you to be able to build a website for different businesses, it's going to cost you a total of $107, and you get to charge between $300 to $500. So that way you make a decent profit, and you give each businesses the value of their money. To insert the customer's information, it's going to take you to a page where it says stay here. To use AI Builder, we click on Start Now, build a website, then select a platform. Select AI Builder, then click on Start Creating. Is to just fill this different section. Okay, for brand name, let's use the name of the business that we got the other time, the Sean Mobile Mechanic. Okay, and the website type you should use is Business Showcase. So for the description, it has to be detailed and not too long. Just keep it cute and classy and professional. Okay, so click on create a website. It will take like 30 seconds to process. Then it will bring you right here. Now this is professional. This is professional. Come on, look at this website. I love the way that everything is detailed. Of course, you want to cross-check. You want to see that everything is in the right places. So if you want to create for a different business, all you need to do is just edit and add the new information. As simple as that. Guys, I just created a website, and this looks so neat and professional. So the main point of me saying all this is that for you to be able to build a website, and for you to be able to reach out to businesses in order to give them the website that you just built, everything is going to take you just 2 to 5 minutes. Easy, simple, and fast way to make money online in 2024. Just from the comfort of your home. Yeah, with just a little amount of money to invest in. So now that you know how to reach out to businesses that do not have a website or do not have a standard website, and you know how to build a website for them, what are you waiting for? Jump right into it, please. That's all on today's video. Thank you guys very much for watching this video to the end. That is if you watch this video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.